A Baldwin County judge denies a defense motion in the Steve Nodine murder trial.
Nodine is accused of killing his longtime mistress on Mother's Day 2010. Angel Downs was found shot in the head in her Gulf Shores driveway.
Fox 10 News reporter April Douglas was in the courtroom today. She joins us in our studio with the details. And April, before we get to the motion, did the Baldwin County DA Hallie Dixon say if she's going to retry this case?
Well, Dixon says she is close to making a decision, but says there is still work to be done. Today's hearing focused on Nodine's clothing and what the defense calls previous mishandling of evidence. The defense wanted its expert witness allowed to sit in on future forensic examinations of evidence by the state. Judge Charles Pardon said, no way.
Defense attorney Pascal Bruin called forensic witness Jan Johnson to the stand. Johnson testified that previous examinations of evidence in Nodine's murder case have already caused destruction, and she's concerned.
We're just wanting to make the court aware that evidence has been mishandled, misplaced, and destroyed, and from here on out we want that to stop. And he agreed with us that there should not be any destructive testing, and that's all we wanted.
Bruin asked Circuit Judge Charles Pardon to allow Johnson to sit in on future state examinations of evidence in the Nodine case. District Attorney Hallie Dixon objected, saying it would only allow the defense to pick apart the prosecution's case at trial.
We're not going to be in a situation where somebody's looking over it's an investigation. To have a defense expert tell them how to do it or sit there and look over their shoulder is highly inappropriate.
The defense is concerned about possible tests on clothes Nodine was wearing the night Angel Downs was found shot in her driveway. Expert witness Jan Johnson says if the state does test for blood on Nodine's clothes, the test could damage the evidence. Bruin says he has no desire to test Nodine's clothes, which showed no signs of blood on them during the first trial. The state is still considering the option.
We still have to talk to DFS and get the details on the examination conducted. But obviously, if there is something that can be done that would reveal a pertinent fact that hasn't been done, then we want to do it.
Judge Pardon denied the defense motion to allow its expert forensic witness to sit in on the state's forensic examinations.
Now, Steve Nodine was not in court this morning. He's still being held at the Baldwin County Jail as a federal prisoner. Again, District Attorney Dixon did not say if she will retry the case. She says there is a lot of work that has to be done, and she doesn't want to, quote, armchair quarterback this thing. Judy Newcomb says there was no evidence destroyed or damaged during forensic examinations.
Well, as April said, Nodine is currently being held in the Baldwin County Jail, awaiting transfer to a federal prison for a gun violation. If you remember, he was sentenced to 15 months and 3 years of probation for being addicted to drugs while in possession of a firearm. Last week, Nodine pleaded guilty to possession of marijuana for personal use. Nodine received 2 years probation in that case.